Alright everyone, and welcome to git314. My name is Arno Egner, and you can find all the information about me in the staff information section. Okay, so let's get going and talk about the class first of all. Okay, this class is designed to teach you guys how to create multimedia using the Flash software from Adobe for the internet. It is important to understand that Flash is not a bitmap software like Photoshop or like JPEGs you take on the internet. Flash is a vector software, which is a different type of graphics. The advantage of it is that it gives you the freedom to do that at any size you want, pretty much, and it can scale up and down really well without having any artifacts. Okay, so you're gonna learn how to plan, and create a storyboard, and then produce two multimedia projects. One is going to be, the first one is going to be an e-card, electronic card for the internet, and you can do whatever you want. Halloween is a good one because it's right around the corner. Christmas, for mom, for dad, graduation. There's a lot of stuff possible. And then the second project will be to do an advertisement, at least 30 seconds, all the way to a minute or two if you want to. It is important to understand that all the graphics in the first assignment needs to be yours. You need to recreate them yourself in Flash. In the second assignment, you can take videos that you filmed, but you can, or that you found on the internet, but you cannot use graphics already done by someone else. You need to use your graphics. You need to do them. Okay. Now you have your announcement right here. You'll find stuff. This is where you found the video about me, where you're just watching right now. Then you go into the course and info syllabus. You will get the section where you can see where my office and when my office hours are. You have a syllabus and a schedule and a survey. Alright, you guys, well, let's go to the schedule directly because that's like the most important thing, right? Okay, so you're going to start real quick right away. In week 1, which is going to be only 3 days, but you have 2 assignments during 3 days. Ooh, no, they're really simple. So it's just to get going. So your first assignment is to present yourself to the rest of the class and why you want to take this class, or what you want to do in life. And assignment 2 is to find a couple links of Flash tutorial on the internet, post them so people can have some extra resources. Okay? Now after that, right away, you're going to start in week 2, Module 2. Okay, everything is by module. You can see it says Module 2 right here, and you have to read, to listen to Lecture 2 and Module 2 PDF, and start your Assignment 3 that will be due on line 8. Assignment 3 is the brainstorming, the briefing, and the storyboarding of your e-card. Doesn't get deeper than that. Okay. Now, if you look at the modules right here, you can see you go to modules right here. Okay. And you'll see all the modules for you guys. There's a lot of videos, so it's taking a little bit of time to come. And you can see all the modules. So in module 2 that we just talked about, you click on Lecture 2 PDF. You have the MP3 lectures also. And do not worry if there is other professors talking on those lectures. At GIT, we have baseline our classes, so you get knowledge from every of us, which has different disciplines and different knowledge. And we created one class that everybody teaches the same, and our FA do use my voice in some lectures or some others' voices, other professors at GIT. So do not worry, this is something that we have baseline in purpose. So everybody teaches the same thing, and everybody is taking advantage of other professors' skills. Okay? It is very important that right away you read the color theory lectures. You don't wait in the first week or second week. Right away you read that and you look at it closely. This is very, very important. Okay, so you'll find your modules right here, and you have more lectures from me, those are videos right here, see? Okay, now you have the assignment that you're going to need to do. This is where you post your assignment, because the assignment itself will be located, information will be located in the module. Okay, so if I go right here, the module right here, I'd say assignment, for example, for the second one, I click here and it comes, and you will see the description of the complete assignment. Alright. Sometimes some of the samples, some of the example get broken. And the thing is that if I click on a lecture right now, it's gonna show me the lecture 2 because I have it. But you need to download everything to do it, and the best way is to basically download the model. I don't even look at that usually, just quickly if I need to. I download the full model, alright, unzip it in a folder, and then you have everything right there. It's a lot easier to deal with. Okay. Actually, after that, that's where you have these models. All right, it'll be a lot easier for you guys to just get them. When you do the assignment, you just put them in the assignment boxes that are right now. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Your textbooks is here. It doesn't matter which one you do use. It matters depending on the software you're using, and that's it. Okay. So let's get going, guys. One thing very important. They are forum. Okay. It is very important. Discussion boards. It is crucial for your grade, first of all, that you post in the forum on a weekly basis, sometimes more than once a week. Why? Because if you're doing a project and you wait for the last day when you actually upload it for grade to get feedback, you're not going to get such a good as the product, in contrast to someone that has posted their progress every week, 2 or 3 times. Every time they post their progress, I go right there, check it out. And I tell them right away, yeah, that's cool, and you can change this and that. Then they can adjust and tweak their project, and they will get better product than the person that upload everything at the end. Okay, so make sure you do that. Okay, it is important to understand also that this is your first project, which is basically assignment 3 is the brainstorming of it. And then after that, in module 3, you're going to do the flash drawing and symbols, so create all the R assets for that e-card, that will be assignment 4. And then you keep doing, that will take you a little bit of time to do all the assets. I want them very well done. You cannot choose anybody else's assets but yours. Okay? And then you get into animating, so create the animation for your e-card. Okay, and that will take you a little bit of time, so make sure you work it out very well. That's your production at that point. And then you can add video and sound into those things. That's when we learn that. And you bring the assignment 5 at that point, at the end, which is the e-card, basically, final leader. Okay, after that you start with the second assignment, and then you'll learn interactivity and action script. Okay, and that's assignment 6, you'll do the briefing and pre-production for it. And then after that, you have a decent time to do your production, because it's going to take you, a minute of animation like that. Takes at least a month. It takes a very long time to do something very nice. So I give you some time, and it is due, the final, on the last day of class, of the semester. Now, obviously, there's final week, and during final week, you are going to have to critique 2 other students' final project, and critique them very well. I don't want just one phrase. I want a real nice, decent critique. Okay? That's pretty much it. So don't forget to check out my personal video where I talk about who I am. And let's have some fun, guys, okay? Take it easy.